There are a ton of changes if you're thinking about buying a Tesla right now. A big incentive being removed, new financing available, new features coming to Teslas, and more. Let's get into all of it in today's video. Spotted recently was a possible Model Y performance. If you're unaware, Tesla executives have said that later this year it has been confirmed that two new Teslas are coming. Number one, the Model Y performance, confirmed to be happening later this year, and a 7-seater Model Y refresh. So we've now seen what could be a camouflaged Model Y performance. More to come. When talking about the Model Y, sources have now reported for the first time pre-orders once that Tesla refresh for the Model Y went live in China. 200,000 pre-orders for the Model Y have been reported. This pre-order opened on January 10th of 2025. So this gives us a good insight. If these numbers all make sense and take delivery, these pre-orders can really set the tone for how popular this Model Y refresh really is. A new detail on the soon arriving Model Y performance was also spotted. So speaking of the future of the Model Y performance, new tires were spotted, this detail being the P0E tire. E for electric provides a more quieter and comfort ride on the road, which maximizes your range. So now it looks like when the Model Y performance arrives, it will have these new P0E tires. Two big updates for the Model 3. First, the $2,500 referral discount that you got by using a Tesla owner's referral link has ended. So now you can still save $500 on a 3 or a Y and on an SX or Cybertruck up to $1,000 by using a Tesla owner's referral link. If you have one, I encourage you to drop your referral link down below. You can also use mine. I'll post that down below as well. So now taking its place is brand new financing. Did you hear about this? 0% financing is now available for the Model 3. And also $0 down is an option as well. Let's talk about the terms. So in order to qualify for a Model 3 with 0% financing, you must put down 15%, and this is for terms of 60 months. Now, if you want to finance and have 72 months as a term, you will get a low 0.99% financing. Also important to note, this is for all Model 3 orders after March 3rd. And also important, Tesla has not yet shared an end date on this 0% or 0.99% financing term. A brand new feature was announced, and this one I find really useful. So after your drive, if you've ever left your Tesla and then you get back in and there's dirt or debris covering your cameras, when you pull up your camera to reverse, well, now Tesla has solved that with an over-the-air update. Check this one out. Camera visibility detection has been added with an over-the-air update. This will actually give you a notification at the end of your drive, giving you a chance to address any dirt on the cameras, and it'll tell you with preview images what cameras may be covered in snow or dirt or what have you. That's great because it gives you a chance to take care of that and clean it before your next drive. This one's really interesting. Talks of a possible refresh to the Model S and X have recently been circulating the Tesla community, but now Tesla has given us hints on the future of the S and X. On the Ride the Lightning podcast previously, Tesla executives have said that the S and X will get features popular in the 3 and Y, but then this happened. Tesla is removing orders for the S and X in Japan entirely by the end of this month. Could this be the test market of types for a new refreshed or updated S and X? Two new accessories hit the Tesla shop, but before we go into that, I want to change gears and talk about this new financing change for Tesla. We talked about saving money with a Tesla owner's referral link. Well, if you're fortunate enough to have customers buy a Tesla through that referral link, Well, it has been confirmed that you can use the entirety of the balance of those Tesla credits on a new purchase. This is extremely helpful if you're ordering the Model Y refresh, saving money on that low financing for the Model 3 as well, because this is stackable on top of those incentives. We have a confirmed example of this we can see from popular Tesla enthusiast Sawyer Merritt, who recently bought his first Tesla, a Model Y launch series, and he was able to use the entire balance of that Tesla credit. So if you're thinking about buying a Tesla, not only can you use those credits when you get family or friends to buy a Tesla on accessories, if you ever upgrade or change or buy a second Tesla, you can now use those credits on that purchase. Two really cool accessories hit the Tesla shop. First is a Mega Pack replica that is a charger that can now charge your laptop, your phone at super fast speeds, giving you 3 USB ports. This one sold out almost immediately, and I believe is still sold out. So keep an eye out for that one, a very popular item. Number two, a new refill on the cleaning kit that Tesla sells just hit the Tesla shop for $40. So this is great. I would highly recommend it if you need interior cleaner, glass cleaner, and more. Now a new accessory, those refills, hit the shop as well. And a new change for the first time announced. Well, when speaking of the Cybertruck, you can adjust your ride height, the suspension in the vehicle. A really cool update. Apparently, this is now coming to the Tesla app as well. So a really cool detail, if you're thinking about a Cybertruck, you can now adjust that ride height on the go through your Tesla app. Pretty cool. Recently announced, Tesla also confirmed 2 new vehicles arriving this year. We first initially spoke earlier in the video about a 7-seater Model Y and a Model Y Performance. Well, the second trim that's coming to Teslas is the affordable Tesla. Here's what you need to know. So many have discussed this sub $30,000 Tesla. Will it be a Cybercab type of Tesla, a 2-seater with a steering wheel attached? Or is it going to be a stripped down car that I'm sitting in, a Model 3? Well, now we know a few more details. Let's talk about it. It has been all but confirmed that the new affordable Tesla will be a brand new vehicle, not a stripped down Model 3, not a Cybercab simply with a steering wheel attached. This is most likely going to be a compact Tesla that has an unboxed process, which means from start to finish, from entry of a factory of Tesla to the end, all of the parts and pieces will be assembled in one unboxed line, if you will. Also keep in mind that the federal EV tax credit is still active. The Trump administration has recently talked at his first address that there will be potentially no tax on the interest for car loans. So this could save you a ton of money. Now, I'm not a CPA, this is not financial advice, but Trump's administration says no interest on car loans, and only if they are made in America. That's the important part. When I asked, does this benefit Tesla greatly, Tesla owners? The answer is a resounding yes. If you're a Tesla owner and this happens, then your car is going to be produced and made in America. So if you're living in the United States and this happens, you're definitely going to save a lot on your taxes, in my opinion. So should you buy now or should you wait? Some things that you want to know. Right now, you can only order the Model Y launch series in that black interior. Now, if you want the white interior and you want a Model Y refresh, well, then you're going to have to wait. The Model 3 has great incentives right now. If you're thinking about a Model 3, now might be the best time to buy because now you're getting 0.99% financing, or you can also have $0 down. So I would say if all of that makes sense for your budget, now would be a great time to buy a Model 3. Also worth noting, it has been confirmed, as we discussed, a 7-seater and a performance Model Y is coming this year. So I would wait if you're looking for a non-launch series Model Y. That will not include full self-driving, and it'll not include the acceleration boost, which is included in this launch series. Let me know if you have any questions now. Super low financing for the Model 3. Changes to the Model Y are soon coming. Now you can use Tesla credits to buy a new Tesla, accessories, or whatever you want to purchase there. And there are new software updates, like that camera detection, now available. If you want news, reviews, and Tesla content even faster on a daily basis, I post on TikTok multiple times a day. I would encourage you to subscribe on TikTok at Frunk to Trunk. And the only way I know you liked this video is, of course, to drop a like. As always, this is Matt from Frunk to Trunk. We will see you in the next video.